Hey guys, TJ Tijerina here with our weekly TJ's Top Pick. This week in new, we have a 2017 Ford Fusion Platinum. This car is packed with a ton of features. It comes with 19-inch wheels, voice-activated navigation and moonroof, heated and cooling seats, rear view camera and remote start, an 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay. It is packed with a ton of safety features. This car comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and a blind spot monitoring system. We have this gorgeous Fusion Platinum priced at $28,685. That's over $9,000 off. With all the equipment that this car is packed with, that is a steal. Hey, listen, so if you're interested, call us right now and ask for TJ's Top Pick. Spikes Ford, right here, right now.